Hi, I'm Daphne Brogdon. I had Daphne Dishes on Food Network a few years ago, but now this is my new show because who the heck wants a big old famous channel on basic cable when you can do this all from your own home on YouTube? Production value, makeup artist, craft services. It's gonna be great. Anyway, so it's hot now, so you don't want to turn on the oven probably, but you still want to make a great meal. How about one of my favorites, lamb? Americans don't eat as much lamb as some other countries. Maybe they're afraid of it. Are you afraid of it? I'm gonna show you an easy, delicious way to make lamb. It starts in my garden. Some fresh rosemary for the marinade and later for the garnish. Most important, cut that lamb. You wanna score the fat to really get the flavor in there. It's gonna make an impact. So the marinade is rosemary, black pepper, which I have ground with some mortar and pestle, salt, and balsamic vinegar. This is very important. When I was in Sweden a couple of years ago, they used this a lot for pork belly. It was fantastic, and I've used it for lamb. Some people go, oh my God, vinegar and lamb. No, it actually really works nicely. And there's enough of that sugar that breaks down. It's not too astringent. It's not like you're putting white wine vinegar in. So you take it out after overnight and take the dampness off as much as possible. I put it in my cast iron pan, which I love to cook in, and it is gonna fit, just barely, but it's gonna cook. And you wanna get rid of that moisture because this is what I want. I really want that crispy fat. So get rid of the moisture. It helps the hot fat and the fat of the lamb get together and really be delicious. You're gonna turn it over. Now, if there are some people that don't like pink lamb, which not everybody likes pink lamb, after you cut it, then you can heat it up separately, which I do too. So if people want a more well-done lamb like that, easy enough. But you bite into it and you really get the flavor of the marinade. And the Israeli couscous that I made with this, that's on another video. This marinade is really good for people who think they don't like the lamb taste. They'll like this. Let me know if there's anything that you want me to tackle that you're not so sure about cooking or you're a little afraid to cook. I'll help you out. Me and my limited production value. See you around.